What's up, y'all? It's LiiNatural here, back with another install on my sister. Y'all see her. She look so beautiful. She came all the way down again for another slay, okay? So today we're working with Hurela hair. I'm not really sure if I'm saying it right. You know, all these companies have their own names, but I'm working with their TL412 24-inch Jerry Curly 13x4 lace front wig, okay? And this wig is 150% density, if I'm not mistaken. If anything, I'll put it right here. So we just took it right out the packaging, and I'm showing her like how the knots look. I didn't even bleach the knots. We went ahead and just went straight in because she had to get right back on the plane, and I didn't want to waste any time. So basically, you're gonna see me and her become twins on camera, and this is very exciting for me. This seems very fun because me and her never really got to wear the same exact hairstyle before, so this was really exciting. Even though she only came down for one day, we still got to spend time, go out to eat, have some drinks, and enjoy ourselves for a few hours before she left.
Listen, let me tell you something. Get you a client that's gonna braid her own hair, period. Cause look, sis is braiding her own hair for me. She was waiting on me to get myself together and started braiding. Who you know? What client? Get right, get correct. Oh, you doing them good too. Thank you. I think they still gonna be perfect. Yeah, that's all.
So y'all, my sister went ahead and braided her own head because I went ahead and started breastfeeding. I had made sure that I put some dinner on, you know, just get little things started before I take her back to the airport. So that was so sweet of her to do, to just start braiding her hair. And y'all know I always tell y'all, protect your hair underneath the wig, so I make sure I put my oils in her scalp just to make sure she's protected and she don't deal with too much itching. I always sew the braids down at the back before I put the wig on, and we're using a light cap since we're having a highlighted wig. And basically it's all the same. Only thing I did different with this install is I put the layers of glue on first instead of putting the wig on first. Usually I switch it up. Sometimes I'll put the wig on first and then slide it back and then put the glue, but you can do it either way. Y'all will see me doing it like that. And every step I take, y'all know y'all can just follow along and just see how I'm doing it, and y'all just let me know what y'all think of my installs, because I'm getting better. And once I perfect my craft, y'all, it's over. And I'm just saying it very nicely. It's over, and I'm really gonna be slaying, okay? I'm only gonna have a few clients, just a fur. So, you know, I know everybody wanna get their hair done by me, but let me keep practicing. Once we get really good, you know, we'll see what happens. Shout out to Hurela hair. Shout out to y'all. I love this hair. This hair is so soft. She kept complimenting how soft this hair was. The lace melted so easily into her skin. It was just bomb. It was just everything, y'all. Go make sure y'all check the links in the description box so y'all can get y'all one of these wigs too, okay? So don't forget to like this video. Make sure y'all hit this like button. Show my sister some love. Share this video. And let's get this video to 3,000 likes, okay, for my sister from Atlanta. I love you guys. Bye.
good.
Make sure y'all comment. Sis is Slay, and that's on motherfucking. You like it?
I love
It
it.
fits so good.
I love this color.
It looks good.
It does.
It's called,
it feels good. Let me see. It's not too heavy.